Hi, welcome to day 5 of the 12 Days of Christmas Junk Journal gifts. And this day, today, is a loaded envelope. These are so fun to make and send in Happy Mail. I love them. Alright, so for this one, I'm just going to kind of show you some ideas of things that you can put in a junk journal folded envelope, but I also wanted to show you, this one is a actual like kind of vintagey gift bag that I received I think I ordered it from Amore Fabrics from her, not sure, from her Christmas junk journal. I'll put Amore Fabrics listed below. She might have some of these in her shop. I'm not really sure, but that is where, I'm pretty sure where I got this envelope, this bag. But I also wanted to show you that you can go to Dollar Tree, and I found these really, really cute ones. Are you gonna, oh, there it is. I don't want to cut the bag. So that's interesting. Look how it's on the side. Oh no. Alright, so this works too. So I just wanted to show you, Chase, take a gift bag like this, and then you want to fold up the bottom of the bag, and then you can use red line tape if you have it to make sure it's nice and sturdy, or I'm going to use my ATG, and then I'm going to tape the two sides, and then I'm going to just fold that up like that. And so now you have a little pocket that you can stuff here, and then you have this one up here. The other thing I kind of like to do if the bag doesn't already have it is take a hole punch and then, oh, my hole punch isn't cooperating. Punch the hole, punch a little half circle up at the top. That didn't look so good, but then that way you can, you know, grab the things that you stuff in there easily. My goodness, I need more coffee. Okay, so there's that one. And then I just wanted to show you some ideas of some things that you can add. And the idea of an envelope is that it's easy to mail, it's flat-ish, and then the person who receives it is able to use the things that you've stuffed inside. So I have some jingle bells that I attached with a Tim Holtz clip. I'm going to set those aside because they're nice and loud. And then I bundled up some fabric scraps and wrapped them with some lace and why can't I think of the name? A pin, but it's a sewing pin. And then I have these little charms in my stash. So I added that. And so they could use the fabric, the lace, and the items there. Here, part of it fell apart. Here I wrapped this lace. It was wrapped around when I stuffed it in, it came off. But I have some lace here, and then I have some ribbon, and again, it's attached, this one with a safety pin, and then another one of those garment pins. And then this is a craft tag that they can then embellish and use. And then with this clip, I have some retro gift tags. This is a, I'm not sure, it's an embellishment from somewhere. And then I have a little deer tag, and I liked the bling. And then I made these patchwork tags. I still need to sew them. Right now they're just glued on. But I like the look once it's sewed. So these are like halfway. So I wouldn't send this just yet. I think in the tag day that we do gifts, I think I'm going to show you how to make these and then show you the ones with the stitching. I think that's what I'm going to do. I haven't totally decided. Anyway, oh, he's stuck. Oh no. There we go. And then there's this vintage card. And I have a snowflake wood veneer. And then in this part, I've tucked in a bag and then a card. And the other thing that would be kind of fun, the other day we made the Christmas tags, and these would be also fun to tuck in, as well as it would be really fun to also tuck in the mini journal. So all of the things that we've been making up till now, you could include in your bag. How fun is that? All right, and so really it's just a matter of when you're placing the items back in, you want to kind of think, how are they going to view it when they open it in their package? And you kind of want to have different layers of things, different heights, and I like sparkly things that catch your attention, ribbons and tags and texture. You kind of want to think of all those fun things as you're that fit in there. Yep. As you're kind of creating your envelope or your bag flip. There we go. A bag within a bag. Kind of fun. So really, anything that you've created, any ephemera that you've made, or things that you've had in your stash that you think your crafty friend might use, I think I need to rewrap this, would be excellent to put in this project. And then you just put it in an envelope and ship it off. It makes a great, 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 great Happy Mail. Make sure that's a little tighter so it stays on this time. And just kind of stuff that back in. And then I just had these kind of layered up. And I attach them back here. And this. Up here. And this back on the side. Oops. It would be also cute to thread it through the hole. That'd be kind of cute too. All right, for now I'm just going to clip it on. So hopefully this gives you just some ideas of things that you can add in your own mail. Pretty cute. All right, a pretty simple idea for today. Hopefully the things that you've been making, you've been saving, and then if you want to send this off, you can. So fun. All right, thanks for joining me for day 5. We'll be back again for day 6. Have a wonderful crafty day. Bye-bye.